If you still post your work like this, like this, like this, and like this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the most effective formula and the exact way I post my work that attracts premium clients to my DMs and my email. I'm here to tell you that your design is not the reason why premium clients do not reach out to you. It's mostly how you present your work online. It's mostly the captions you use, how you post your work. You need to take this thing I'm about to say very, very serious. You need to be very, very strategic about whatever you post, whether you're posting your design, whether you're posting content. Because for every post you make, you can get hired through it. For every post you make, you can get potential clients reach out to you. If you post your work and you make it seem like a random work, people might not reach out, and when they eventually reach out, they want to price you cheap. But when you position your work in a way that screams value, it's going to attract premium clients, people that are willing to pay you whatever you're worth. Don't post your designs and your work with no explanation. Don't post your work with unserious captions like felt boards, I just designed this, oh, I used this weekend to explore this, did I cook? No, you don't post things like that, because honestly, things like that would attract just cheap clients, or won't even attract clients at all. To post your work effectively in order to attract premium clients and in order to demonstrate the real value of your work and your design, you're going to use just this 3-step formula. You need to start your caption with the problem, or you acknowledge the frustration, whether it's users who are going through the frustration, the issues, or business, depending on the particular design that you're trying to post, right? That is number one. Then after calling out the problem, then you explain what you did and why. Mind you, it doesn't have to be like a long explanation. Do you understand? Like, what did you now do after you noticed the problem? Do you get? Then after you explain what you did, or you just call out what you did and why you did it, then you mention the benefits or the outcome of your actions. So we're going to use these 3-step formulas to frame captions for 3 different design posts, just to demonstrate how you can put everything I've said together. So I'll be using this checkout page design that I saw like on Figma community as our number one example. I'm going to go right on my LinkedIn now. So I'm going to go through the process of uploading this particular design. So this is the design, right? Then you press next. I'm going to start with the problem, which is the number one step. Lose thousands monthly. This is just an example. It doesn't mean that you have to post it like this. So that's why I gave you that formula. So this is basically the second part. You're trying to explain what you did and why. I designed this screen to reduce that friction and help more users complete their payments by clearly showing the steps, so users always know where they are, keeping the order summary visible for transparency, and using familiar and trustworthy payment options to build confidence. Then we'll now come down to the third one, which is the outcome. This led to more completed orders, fewer abandoned carts, and increased revenue. This is number one, which is the problem that you're calling out. Then you talked about what you did and why as regards to this problem, and this was your outcome. This is the right way to post. Then you could add any hashtag. So we're going to be using this prototype for our second example. I would always advise, whenever you want to post your prototype, always like use the Figma app on your mobile app, so that you can record yourself using it. That way it feels more realistic. So this is a buy airtime screen. This is what we're going to be using to demonstrate the value of this design. They said preview is unavailable, but you can still post the video. We'll start by saying most users. Just make it an interesting story, something that gets reasonable people to want to read your caption. Then we'll head to the second, which is the explanation. So instead of making them type 200 naira or 500 naira every time, we added preset options based on usage patterns. The third stage, which is the outcome or the benefit, this resulted to faster purchases, less typing, and a better mobile experience, especially in areas with slower internet. There's no way you post your work with that 3-step formula and you don't get reached out to by reasonable clients. You don't need to post a full detailed app design so long as it solves a problem either for the business or for the user. Even if you're just exploring designs or you're learning, don't tell us that you're exploring. Don't put it in the caption. And remember to keep your sentence and your language simple. You know the way you have daily conversations with people. Just speak like that on your caption. Keep it as simple as possible. So we've come to the end of this video and I hope that you really learned something today. If you have questions, please do let me know in the comments and I'll see you in my next video.